It's Miami week, everybody.
Yeah, welcome
I'm talking
to Miami.
about right now.
Ay, ay, ay. Is
Now-
that something I would say?
You can, Jen, if you want. I'm sure a couple people in Miami say ay, ay, ay. Now, speaking of that, Miami's own Pitbull, who has many a nickname, Mr. 305, Mr. Worldwide, Mr. Right Now.
Got it.
He can also be named Mr. Zumba.
What?
What?
Apparently,
Mr. Middle-aged white woman?
no. Pitbull is all about the Zumba. He's such a big fan of Zumba that he's even gone to conventions and performed those.
Really?
Yeah, Pitbull loves it. And I don't blame him. It's super fun.
If Pitbull is doing it, it's got to be cool.
I mean, he even teamed up with the founder of Zumba,
Yeah.
Beto Perez.
Really?
And he helped them come up with the dance for his song Pause for the video.
Ah.
This is the thing, and I think that's why it's appealing to a lot of people, because they have so much fun that they forget that they're burning calories.
Well, is Zumba really hard? I
No.
mean,
No.
what about for the beginning Zumba-er?
It's pretty easy, Kelly. I remember some of the moves that I remember from the one class I went to. It says, you got to follow along with me.
Yeah.
And they go, like that.
And then
Oh,
back,
make it
back,
down.
back, back.
And they go, make it
And
down
how
like
stupid
that.
do I look right now, Big Al?
Oh, you look
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it's the soccer mom special.
Hey, y'all, make sure you don't miss a single laugh with Dish Nation. So make sure you click here to subscribe to our channel. Now, if you're already subscribed, you can just click on the other button for more of me and everyone else on the show, too, I guess.